Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica, Techno-Computa. In this video I'm going to solve the port problem of Arduino Uno. So even if you connect the Arduino Uno to the computer and the light glows, and when you go to Arduino IDE and when you go to tools, so you won't find your port option. This port option is now selectable. So this problem I'm going to solve here. Now the problem arises due to, say, if you purchase a new Arduino IDE and then if you try to connect the Arduino IDE to the pure PC for the first time, so this problem occurs because there may not be some driver installed in PC. So in this video I'm going to install the driver, and then finally this Arduino will be able to connect to the PC. So in order to install, so just open Google Chrome. So now here you have to type CS340 driver, download, right. So here you'll get the first link, CS340 driver for Windows, Mac and Linux. So just click on it. You will find your Windows 340 driver. So this has been downloaded in zip format. Just go to your folder where it has been downloaded. So it has been downloaded here. Now just extract it. So it has been extracted here. Just double click on it and you'll be having CS340 installer. So just double right click on it. Click on yes and then click on install. See, it shows your message driver install failure because you have not connected this Arduino to the computer. See, you have not connected it. So if you don't connect, this message you will get. So in order to install completely, just connect this Arduino to the PC and then now try to install it. So the reason it wasn't installing was because I had one more opened this driver setup. That is the reason it was showing that thing. So now once you have connected the Arduino IDE to your computer, and then now you try to install it. Only when you have, you just click on install. See, it shows driver install success. Click on OK, and then in order to confirm this, go to Arduino IDE. Now go to tools. Now you will be having support option as COM3. So in this way you can install the CS340G driver and you may be able to port the code from the PC to the Arduino IDE. So thank you for watching.